Hello guys, Dennis here today. Today I'm going to be making a YouTube video of my handcuffs. Upstairs. Holy crap, what is it? Anyway, I'm going to make a video of my handcuffs today in case y'all can't see them. I just got these packaged or sent in the other day, and they're really pretty cool. Here's the key. But all I'm going to be showing y'all today is how to double lock them. And you see that little metal piece? So yeah, how about I double lock them? First of all, you grab that you see that little piece right there, the key? Make sure, boom, double locked. Can't move it. Very hard. But this is how you undouble lock it. That little piece right there, you're gonna hear a little noise. Okay. There we go, it's undouble locked, see? Now this is how I'm gonna put them on. So I can show you myself. Go like that. See, I'm locked now. This is how you unlock yourself. You see the key? Boom. Other hand, like that. Well, hopefully I can get some more likes. Hopefully. Thank you. Bye.